I'm going to show you how to take one of our images in a drawing pad, edit it, share it with your students, and then have them fill in blanks, complete aspects of the drawing, etc. as you choose. Let's go into a tutorial. I'll go to the drawing pad. Perfect. So here I have a labeling image pulled up. But say I want my students to do more than label, but less than completing the entire diagram. Working with the labeling image is a great place to start. I'm going to come over here and pick a shape. A rectangle is easiest to work with. When you're doing this, you'll probably just want a white rectangle to cover things up, but I'm going to go ahead and stick with a black rectangle so that you can see what I'm doing. So I just click on the canvas and a rectangle is automatically added. I can resize it, or I can change other aspects of it. And then I'm going to cover portions of the diagram, as you'll see. I'm just copying and pasting this rectangle and putting it in different places. Perfect. I'm going to leave these boxes here so my students can fill it in with labels, and these other elements here as well. Now I'm going to come over here and save my work. When you get this message, you know that it's been saved. And then I'm going to download it. I'm going to download it as a JPEG. Now, I'm going to share that JPEG with my students via email, my LMS, whatever tool I like to use. Now, let's take a look at what your students will do with that file. They'll go into the tutorial, Purine Biosynthesis. They'll go to the drawing pad. I recommend that they just pull up a blank canvas so that there's no confusion. Then they take the file that you've sent to them and they simply drag it over this whiteboard. The file will drop in and they can drag it to center it on the page. And you'll see that this is the image that I saved with parts of the drawing covered. Now what my students can do is they can draw over it. I'll pick a white color so that you can see me draw over these boxes. They can add labels. And any other elements of the diagram that I've asked them to complete. They'll save their work, and then this will show up in the analytics. To see what that looks like, as a professor, I'll go over, hover over my name, go to Institutional Analytics, log into that, and then I'll go to my course or my group or my study plan, however I'm using the analytics. I'll go to the tutorial. We know that it was purine biosynthesis. And here I'll see their drawings. Let's go ahead and look at one. And here you'll see all of the drawings organized by student. To download them, just click on them and you'll get a JPEG of their work that you can look at more closely. That's all there is to it.